Elon Musk and Tesla have been progressing successfully for the last 6 years or more. Tesla is now on the verge of changing the world's automobile transport vehicle from fuel and gas to electric-powered vehicles. However, due to some contentious tweets, Elon Musk and Tesla just received a huge $162 million lawsuit from JPMorgan. Who is JPMorgan? What kind of tweet warranted such a huge amount of lawsuits on Elon Musk and Tesla? We know you must be anticipating all these questions now. Well, make sure to stay tuned and keep watching as we ponder why. JPMorgan Chase & Company is an American multinational investment entity or bank. It is also a financial holding firm with its headquarters located in New York City. Its presidents are Gordon A. Smith, Daniel E. Pinto, and its CEO is Jamie Dimon. It was founded on the 1st of December 2000 in New York City. Its total asset as of 2021 is about $3.76 trillion. Its number of employees as of 2020 is 255,351. Its net income for 2020 was $29.13 billion, while its revenue as of 2020 was $119.54 billion. Their aim and objective are to be a leader in the financial services, offering solutions to the world's most important cooperation and government institutions. What was this suit all about? A few months ago, JPMorgan sued Tesla. They stated that the electric car company owes the bank $162 million with the 2014 stock warrant agreement. The disagreement centers around adjustments both companies made to an agreement following Tesla CEO Elon Musk in the 2018 funding secured tweet and the resulting side effect. The lawsuit against Tesla and Elon Musk was filed in the Southern District of New York. Tesla avoided any request to comment on the case, keeping in mind that Tesla had broken up its U.S. press team. According to Reuters report, in respects to the suit by JPMorgan, the aggrieved party JPMorgan purchased several warrants from Tesla in 2014. This was back when the company was still in the process of trying to fund the construction of the original Gigafactory. The stock warrant grants the buyer JPMorgan the right to seek and obtain shares in a company, Tesla, at a fixed price within the context of a particular opportunity and time. The warrant JPMorgan bought from Tesla in 2014 was fixed to expire in June and July of 2021. In the first meeting, both companies agreed to a fixed price of $560.6388 US dollars. They wagered that if the warrants expired and Tesla's stock price was less than that strike price, neither company would owe the other anything. But if Tesla's stock price was above the other at expiration, JPMorgan said Musk's company was supposed to hand over stock equal to the difference in those prices. However, with this being a big and complicated financial transaction, JPMorgan made sure that they had all sorts of legal protection in place. One was a barricade against any massive announcement targeted to mergers or buyouts that could affect Tesla's stock price. If something like that were to happen, the bank and the automaker would be able to agree on a new price tag for the warrants. Now we're going to talk about the tweet that originated all these issues. Elon Musk famously tweeted on August 7, 2018 that he was considering taking Tesla private at US $420, funding secured. Later that day, Tesla's chief financial officer, its head of communications, and its chief lawyer wrote an email in conjunction with Musk that was published on Tesla's blog explaining his announcement. Musk also tweeted that investor support is confirmed. The only reason why this is not certain is that it is contingent on a shareholder vote. Tesla's investor relations head also told the press that there was a firm offer. None of that was affirmative, though. It was only when everyone found out after the Securities and Exchange Commission sued Musk and Tesla over the announcement. What did the Securities and Exchange Commission sue Elon Musk for, and how did he manage to solve this extra problem while still facing the JPMorgan charges? The Securities and Exchange Commission sued Tesla CEO Elon Musk for securities fraud after his aborted attempt to the company private in 2018. The complaint filed in the federal court of the Southern District of New York indicates that the SEC is trying to find an opportunity to ban Elon Musk from being able to hold officer or director positions at public traded companies, also including any additional damages the court is willing to include. Musk announced that he was taking Tesla private in a tweet on August 7, 2021, also indicating that he had funding secured to embark on such a quest. In some precedent tweets, Musk made it seem as though all that was required to delist the company from the stock market then was just approval from the shareholders. He later claimed that Saudi Arabia's sovereign wealth fund was in talks with Tesla to potentially fund the effort, but later forgo the idea on the 24th of August. The SEC sued Tesla just 1 week after his tweet. The prosecutor stated that Musk's statements were false and misleading too. Musk knew or was reckless in not knowing that each of these statements was false and misleading because he did not have an adequate basis in fact for his assertions, they write. They also stated that he knew he had never discussed a going private transaction at $420 US per share with any potential funding source, or investigated if it was going to be possible for any for all current investors to remain with Tesla and continue through a special purpose fund, and had not confirmed support of Tesla's investors for a potential going private transaction. However, before this truth came out, JPMorgan saw the resulting unpredictability in Tesla's stock price and decided to adjust the strike price of its warrants. It then lowered the price to $424.66 USD and notified Tesla. Tesla agreed to a conference call scheduled for the 24th of August, but withdrew at the last minute, according to the lawsuit. That same day, Tesla and Musk announced that they were abandoning any idea to take Tesla private, so JPMorgan decided to adjust the strike price of the warrant again. It made a new calculation based on the feedback to the decision by Tesla and Elon Musk to do an about-face and agreed on a strike price of $484.35 USD. This time, Tesla protested quickly that no adjustment should be necessary at all because it had so quickly abandoned its going private plans, JPMorgan writes in his lawsuit. The bank gave Tesla its calculations and held several conference calls to explain everything, but said Tesla did not provide any particular objection to the explanations. After stating this, JPMorgan stated that Tesla stopped talking to the bank for 6 months. Tesla's lawyer eventually sent a letter to JPMorgan in February 2019, attesting that the bank adjustment was unreasonably swift and represented an opportunistic attempt to take advantage of changes in volatility in Tesla's stock. JPMorgan wrote back, rejecting all of Tesla's allegations, but then the two sides didn't talk for 2 years. JPMorgan made another adjustment down to $96.87 USD in August 2020 to account for Tesla's stock split, and said Tesla never responded to that either. In recent months, Musk has been in heated debates with short sellers who believe that Tesla will ultimately fail. As a public company, Tesla's continued struggles to produce vehicles and to make profits has been watched closely, even as Musk continues to promise eventual turnarounds, such as what happened to Model 3. Although buying out Tesla and going private would allow Tesla to stay out of public eyes as it deals with this growing challenge, at least to a level that Musk can allow himself or his company to fall out of the limelight. However, according to Forbes, the SEC has reportedly written letters to Tesla that in 2019 and 2020, pointing to pairs of tweets that said the electric car maker should have vetted beforehand under their settlements. The regulatory agency staff has reportedly accused Tesla of consistently failing to enforce its court-ordered policy requiring Musk to get approval before tweeting. It is due to tweets such as this that Elon Musk has always been sued by various organizations. JPMorgan still explained that Tesla still owed 228,775 shares when it terminated the deal, and that these shares are worth $162,262,628.81 USD, based on Tesla's stock price at the time. What do you think about Elon Musk's tweets? Do you think it affects the space industries negatively, or do you feel the government agencies are just out to get Musk? Do you think JPMorgan did the right thing? Let us know what you think about all of this by leaving a comment in the section below.